All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. This here is 925 sterling silver. It is made out of real solid silver, 92.5% pure silver. Here's the back side. All right. Now this is diamond dust finish. You see that sparkly texture right there? So that's actually called diamond dust finish. It's beautiful, sparkly, and you can do a top, you can do a bottom. That's up to you. All right. Well, there it is, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Check the link in the description for more details. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a